What's up everybody, welcome to Massive Tech Unboxing. Today I have 7 different earbuds and headphones. Yeah, really, a lot of people have requested for headphones and earbuds unboxing videos. So here comes the video. Today I have 7 different products and I am actually gonna give away 2 of these products to my subscribers. What you have to do is to make a comment and let me know which earbuds or headphones would you like to get and why. Please don't spam because spammers will get disqualified. Also, don't subscribe to this channel to win a giveaway because I will understand. I'm only gonna give away a product to a real subscriber. Yeah, I'm gonna give away 2 of these earbuds or headphones. So go ahead, watch through this video and let me know which one would you like to get. Let's start unboxing these earbuds and headphones, but before that, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, I have another tech channel where I have more than 100,000 subscribers. If you wanna watch review videos, go ahead, check Hans Tech Talk. Without further ado, let's start doing the unboxing. Well, the first product is from Donor. This one is Donor Dobuds One. This one costs $69.99 US. That's the original price, but sometimes there are some discounts available. So if you are lucky enough, then you'll be able to buy this one for less than $69 US. After opening the top lid, there is an envelope, and inside the envelope, there is a very nice user manual. I really like this user manual because there are a lot of illustrations, everything is written clearly, and it's very easy to understand how to use this set of earbuds. As the engineers of Donor have developed their own application, Donor Connect, so yeah, it's very easy to use this Donor earbuds, and there are a lot of features and options available on that Donor Connect application. Well, let's put the Donor Dobuds aside. Let's check what other things we have got inside the box. There are 5 different set of ear tips. 1 set of ear tips are actually installed on the earbuds and 4 other sets of ear tips are given as an extra. Donor has also included a USB-A to USB-C charging cable inside the box. Let's put everything aside and unwrap this Donor Dobuds One. Well, Donor Dobuds One supports Bluetooth 5.2, comes with IPX4 rating. This one comes with active noise cancellation, also has ENC, environmental noise cancellation, supports SBC, AAC, offers 32 hours of battery life. Both of the earbuds are equipped with a 12mm driver, and yeah, there are 4 mics. These Donor Dobuds comes with hybrid dual drivers. This is a perfect combination of a 12mm high quality dynamic driver and a balanced armature driver to fully support the high frequency range. With the application, we can customize equalizer. There are some built-in equalizers. Yeah, inside the application, we can check battery level. We can select ANC, normal, and transparency mode. We can also select gesture controls. So yeah, it's very convenient. Considering the price tag, I would say Donor Dobuds One is one of the best set of earbuds. Well, after Donor Dobuds One, here comes a JBL Tune 230NC. This one costs less than $50 US. If you are lucky enough, you will be able to get this one with a discount price. Well, let's check what things we have got inside this JBL Tune 230NC TWS. Well, inside the box, you will get some paperwork, a very good charging case, JBL Tune 230NC earbuds, a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and 2 extra set of ear tips. These are different sized ear tips, so you can select the one which suits you the most. JBL Tune 230NC supports Bluetooth 5.2 and this one comes with IPX4 IP rating, offers 24 hours of battery life. Each of these earbuds comes with 2 mics and a 10mm dynamic driver. Actually, I'd recommend these to the people who likes to listen to music. If you really love listening to music with a natural sound quality, then this JBL Tune 230NC is one of the best earbuds within its price segment. Also, NC means noise cancellation. Yeah, this one comes with active noise cancellation, and noise cancellation of these earbuds are pretty awesome. So for $50 US, I think these are the best choice. Let's unwrap this QCY True Wireless Earbuds Melobuds ANC. If you haven't watched the review video of this product, then I would recommend that go ahead watch the review video. I have already reviewed this product a few months ago. And I have given a very high rating to this QCY Melobuds in my review. Inside the box, you will get the earbuds, a charging case, and look at this. There is a hidden compartment at the back where QCY has provided user manual, a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and 2 extra sets of ear tips. Well, here comes the charging case and here comes the earbuds. Okay, let me quickly tell you 3 things about this QCY Melobuds ANC. Number 1, this one comes with 6 mics, 3 mics on each of the earbuds, and each of the earbud is equipped with a 10mm driver. This one not only offers a very good sound quality but also offers a very good noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation of QCY Melobuds is one of the best in its class. This one costs less than $50 and within this price segment it's very difficult to find a competitor. There is another thing I like about this QCY Melobuds is these are very light and inside the ear groove. It doesn't give any irritation. I have never felt any fatigue. It gives me super comfortable, super comfy feelings. These earbuds offer 7.5 hours of battery life, and along with the charging case together, you will get up to 30 hours of battery life. This one also comes with IPX5 rating, so this one is splash proof, but I wouldn't say you can go to swim with these set of earbuds. Here comes Acefast Crystal T8. This one supports Bluetooth 5.3, comes with IPX4 rating, environmental noise cancellation, supports SBC AAC, but the most important part of this set of earbuds is these comes with double moving coil. 10 plus 6 millimeters. There are 2 drivers. Also, these are equipped with 4 mics and offers 30 hours of battery life. And there is another nice thing about this set of earbuds is this one comes with cool breathing atmosphere light, 3D embossed power display. It's really nice to see that Acefast has taken every details into consideration. Attention to detail is really very high level, and how they have matched the colors of all the accessories included inside the box is really great, amazing. Well, I'm totally sure that most of the people would buy a set of earbuds only considering the performance of the earbuds. Most of the people don't fall for outlook and appearance, and in terms of performance, I would give this 8.7 out of 10. So as these costs less than $100 and offers crisp and crystal sound quality, I think if you want to get something premium, then you can also try these. Well, the next product is also from Acefast. I have reviewed this product a few days ago, and considering its price performance, I would say from value for money perspective, this one offers better value for money. I really like to unbox Acefast products because Acefast products actually comes in a very nice packaging, and yeah, even the packaging materials are also premium. Well, inside the box you will get a color matched very good quality, premium quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable, some extra set of ear tips in different sizes, a protective case for the charging case, a quick start guide with a lot of illustrations, and Acefast Crystal T6. Well, one more time, I have reviewed this product in my Hans Tech Talk channel, and personally I really like this set of earbuds. In our studio, we all use these earbuds. We have all the different colors of Acefast Crystal T6, and within $45, I think this is a very good choice. If you are looking for a set of earbuds which is truly unique, comes in different colors, looks pretty much fashionable, and also offers a very good sound quality, then I think you should go for Acefast Crystal T6. Well, there are a lot of people who like to play games, and there are a lot of people who would like to listen music with a set of overhead headphones. And here comes my personal favorite, OneOdio A10. I have actually reviewed more than 20 over-the-ear headphones, and after checking all those, after considering value for money, price per performance ratio, comfort level and everything, I think this is the one that I wanna recommend to my subscribers and regular viewers. OneOdio Focus A10 costs less than $80 and weighs less than 300 grams. OneOdio A10 Focus comes with premium protein memory foam. With these protein memory foam, I have never felt tired. I have never felt any irritation, and there is only one word that I can use to describe the quality of these memory foams. That's comfy. OneOdio Focus A10 comes with 40mm dual sound chamber design, which offers the best of every frequency. OneOdio A10 Focus comes with a big 800 mAh battery. Recharge it for 10 minutes and OneOdio Focus A10 will offer 5.5 hours of listening time. OneOdio A10 Focus supports multi-point connection between two devices. If I'm listening to music using my smartphone and if I want to switch over to my tablet or laptop, then OneOdio A10 offers the fastest response or switch over time. There are three things I really like about this OneOdio Focus A10. Number one, this one offers a very good sound quality. It doesn't matter whether you like bass or treble. It doesn't matter whether you want to listen to vocal. Every frequency is reproduced correctly and with crystal-like clarity. Number two, this one offers a very good comfort. And number three, this one comes with a very nice build quality. As OneOdio Focus A10 costs less than $80, I think at this price point, this one doesn't even have any competitor. But if you really cannot afford to buy OneOdio A10, and then you can go for this KOFIRE UZ06. This one costs less than $70, and this one is actually a better choice for gamers. This KOFIRE UZ06 comes with dynamic equalizer sound compensation. This one can automatically adjust equalizer sound effects during listening music and playing games to achieve 3D immersive sound effects and continuously reproduces crystal clear sound output. As this KOFIRE UZ06 comes with a game chip inside, this one got this low latency game mode option, which actually reduces latency to 40 milliseconds. I really like the fully enclosing ear muff design, which allows the headset to fit on the ear more comfortably. I really have tested this set of headphones on my ear for hours after hours, and I think these are really very much comfy. KOFIRE UZ06 supports Bluetooth 5.0, comes with 50mm dynamic drivers, and with the RGB light off, this one offers 30 hours of battery life. Yeah, this one comes with breathing RGB lights, so if you are a gamer and if you want to have something unique, definitely this one is for you. One more thing I need to mention, this one comes with a USB dongle, so if you want better connectivity, then you can use the USB dongle. Well, if you really is a hardcore gamer, then I think KOFIRE UZ06 is a better choice, because this one comes with a built-in premium quality microphone and gaming mode for ultra low latency. This one even comes with a USB dongle. So if you want to use this one with a PC, then it's much easier to use. And don't forget about the RGB lights. Okay, today we have unboxed 7 different earbuds and headphones. Don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below which one do you prefer. And yeah, there is an international giveaway going on. If you want to get one, what you have to do is to make a comment and let me know which one do you prefer and why. The giveaway is for the subscribers. If you're already subscribed to this channel, then go ahead, choose the one you want to get. If you're not subscribed yet, then I think it's the right time to get subscribed to this channel. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button. Go ahead, smash that like button.